Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. I had not planned originally to do another live today, but after Janet and I looked at the email of the new cookbook, I had to go live, and I hope Janet's going to be able to join me here in a minute. The cookbook looks amazing. I'm going to turn the phone and show y'all a couple of things that really impressed me right off the bat. The front cover is that, Fixins From My Kitchen. And in between each heading, there are collage page pictures that I love. That's of all my family, my pets. Before the flavorings, you've got, I think that was barbecue sauce, pickles, avocado, chicken, bacon salad. Look at the pretty picture, the pretty pages. It looks real springy. And the pictures look fabulous. Janet spent hours and hours and hours on getting these pictures together, pulling them from the website, pulling them from the Facebook page. And they just look amazing. And the food pictures looks like you could just jump in there and eat it. But I love this. So Fixins From My Kitchen, final edits are going in today, and then we can decide how many to print. I would love for you guys to weigh in if you're planning on buying one. I'm not going to do pre-orders, but it'd be nice to know, just by idea of how many people are wanting them. So just, in the comments, just say, yes, I want one. The pictures are amazing. Janet's on, but I'm waiting for her to request to come on live with me. And I hope I can remember how to do that. Okay, there we go. While we're doing that, while that's coming up, I'm going to continue to scroll. All right, Janet, I pressed yes to bring you on live. I think you have to send me a request or something. Okay, the last set of pictures, the picture of Cookie is so funny that Janet captured. Y'all got to see it. Look at her with her head over the table. Patricia, we don't have a price yet because we don't know what it's going to cost to print yet. So that remains to be seen. It will be as economic as possible, of course. But all these pictures were all the collaborations with the Potters, with Paula Dean, with Chad Tucker of Fox 8, Susan Cruz of Huntsboro Hemp, all my buddies, my flat tire friends, Wendy, Julie, Lisa Purdue, there's Sid, there's pictures of Janet, there's a picture of Kathy Sims and Carol King with Janet. I love that. There's a picture of Kurt, there's a picture of Mac Daddy and Carter Dude, and I don't see where I can bring you on live, Janet. That's weird, right? Anyway, so incredibly proud of this work. I can't wait to be able to offer it to you guys. I'm thrilled. So Fixins From My Kitchen, stay tuned. I will let you know as soon as it is available. We'll flip you guys around here. And for whatever reason, I have not seen Janet on here live. And I actually have got to start supper here soon because I'm doing meatloaves, and I need to get them in the oven by 5:30 so we can have some supper tonight. Anyway, so if you definitely want a cookbook, just put in the comments, yes, I want one, like somebody already put, hey, I want two. And it'll give me an idea of how many to order for print. I have never bought one. Maybe this one will be my first. Well, Lisa, yeah, this is a very good collaboration of recipes. One that I'm very, very proud of. There are recipes in here for main dishes like Cajun chicken pasta, lemon basil chicken, just to name a few, pizza casserole, salmon done 2 different ways, quiche, to vegetables like baked beans, Brussels sprouts, cabbage in the iron skillet, Irish potato pie, pinto beans, scallop potato casserole, creamed mashed potatoes, barbecue sauce, dill weed dip, pineapple pico, seasonings for everyday seasoning and blackened seasoning. What else? There's Happy Day cake, orange crushed pound cake, pumpkin cake. There's chocolate chip dough cookie, cheesecake bars. There's 3 different ice creams. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 different pies. Yeah, there's cobblers. There's Stinky Boy detergent. So I don't think that this will be a disappointment. You'll have a very good variety of the things that I do on the page. Anyway, I was just excited to share that. I don't know that I'll be able to get Janet on live, but Janet will be able to communicate through this feed. But anyway, give us an idea. Hey, Christy, give us an idea of, you know, how many people will be ordering them so that I can get a good number printed so we can fill those orders and hopefully get them to you by Mother's Day. Make a great Mother's Day present. Belinda, we don't know a price yet because I don't know. Hey, Sandra, my sister-in-law's on here. We don't know a price yet because we don't know the price of printing. And Janet says, been requesting. It's not coming through, Janet. Try me one more time. Oh, wait. Maybe I'm not pressing the right thing. Allow viewer above. Okay. Send invite. Now it's asking me to send invite. They can't join your broadcast at this time, it says. Oh, no. Anyway, so we'll let you know the pricing once we have a price from the printer. And like I said, we'll keep it as low as possible. Looking forward to getting your new cookbook. Thank you, Joanne. I look forward to sending you one. I think last time they were like $34.95, but that's been a couple years ago. So I don't know what prices are like with printing since COVID. You know, everything's gone up. So we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, Fixins From My Kitchen. It's going to be a really big hit, I think. I hope y'all have a wonderful afternoon. I'm going to get off the phone for now. I have finished my cold coffee. I have a little more energy. I've got some clothes to fold, and I have to start some dinner. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following the page. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you guys soon. Have a wonderful rest of your week. I am working tomorrow. I will be posting some videos tonight before I go to bed. And yeah, it's exciting. We'll keep you posted on the cookbook, y'all. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.